And as for a beginner that you are coming up new, that you have not even go far on this business, that you are struggling with this type of phone, this is Techno 528. It's common and very very easy to repair. Unless you don't know how to trace the fault. So let me show you something about this phone, the craziest part that you don't know about this phone. So you see, this is central processing unit, which is CPU. This one is responsible for a lot of things. So, and this one here is your network IC, the main network IC, and here is your writer, which is this one is supplying this person. If this person goes bad, the phone will not have signal. If this person goes bad, no signal. If this person die, you'll be seeing no service directly, no service. And if this person dies, you'll be seeing emergency, or maybe you'll be seeing low signal. That is the work of this too. And look at these ones here. If the phone is having a low network, you see this lead here. Sometimes this one might fix it. This lead here, you add enough lead here, make it here, increase the lead, or remove this old one and apply another one, but make sure it will be bigger than this one. It will restore back the network. Or you change this one here, this black IC here, change it. They are responsible for the network from here to here to here. All these places like this, they are responsible for the network. If you check here correctly, we are having sound IC here and some resistors. Sometimes you discover this type of phone, the customer will be complaining that the phone is no sound, there's no sound on that phone, even though when you change the speaker, it's still the same thing. So what you check, number one thing you check are these two resistors here. These two resistors here, if you change them and it doesn't work, then replace this person. If you replace this one now, I believe your problem will solve. So let me show you another crazy thing about this thing. If you check this under very well, you see some capacitors here, this down here. So now this capacitor, now what this one does, if any of this goes bad, the phone will never turn on. This small capacitor here, let me show you very well. Let me zoom it. Can you see these ones here? This one, they are very 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 powerful. If this phone is not turning on, I advise before, if you check the reading, everything is perfect. If you at first hit the board and the board refuses to turn on, then read all these capacitors to know if they are bad. And this one here is our flashing IC. It's also responsible for power. It's work like power IC also. This one is also like power IC. If this one goes bad, the phone will not turn on also. And the work of this one also, anytime you encounter with this type of phone that is passwording, that there is password on that phone, and in some cases you will see that like this charging port now, this one, all the pin has peeled off. So there's no how you can flash this phone with this one peeled off. Even if you put new charging port and connect to your PC, it will not pick. So what you will do in that case, come and change this IC here, this one here. Change this person. If you change this IC, the phone will not be password again. That password is gone forever, unless you put another password. Change this IC. That is the work of this one also. This one has two major roles it's playing in this phone. So, and as for this one, this phone is developing a lot of heat, consuming battery. Make sure you check this CPU. This CPU here is the cause of all that. So make sure you go through it. Use your finger on it if you don't have a rosin paste or other stuff to check the heat. Make sure insert the battery, fix the phone to the center case. Use your finger on this. If you fix battery, there will be no way you can use your finger. So I advise use your DC or connect two wires to the battery so that you understand if this one is faulty or another component. But there are some resistors here that can cause the heat, but most especially is this CPU. So you go through it and change this person here, the phone will be fine. So that is how you fix it. You easily fix such phone, so there's no cause for alarm. Share this video and follow for more, guys.